William Shakespeare once said, "Be not afraid of greatness. Some are born great, some achieve greatness, and others have greatness thrust upon them." So, does that not mean that there lies greatness in us all? Not everyone can be born great, but everyone can be great. So for now, I search. I scour for my next story, my next opportunity. As a visual storyteller, I've learned greatness is born out of inspiration, creativity, effort, out of failure, because it is through failing that we learn to succeed. You see, I knew I found my purpose in life when my passion became an obsession. Now, I yearn for the next moment that takes my breath away. I explore because it makes me feel alive. I see millions of people breathing, but no one truly living. As a creative, I'm motivated to explore to the edge of the earth because I want to change how people see the world. It is one thing to be alive, but it is something entirely different to live, to be present, to be free. I've learned more about life simply by walking out of my front door than any textbook could ever teach me. We've only got one shot. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all. And like life, great filmmaking is about the ability to see not just what something is, but what it can become. It is about passion and patience. It's about trusting yourself and following your gut. It is about taking what's in the dark and exposing it to light. It's not just the ability to capture a frame, but a moment. It's about leaving an impact, a message to live on in your name. So that's what I'm doing. I'm sharing my story, one still at a time, capturing the radiance of life and showcasing it for the world to see. My message in life is simple. Live. Everything you want in life lies right outside your doorstep.
Let the vlogging begin.
First update, day 2. Stuck in standstill traffic. Woo! First backcountry hike of the trip. And we're utterly lost. Have no idea if we're going in the right direction or not. Miles into the hike here.
Christ.
I think we're starting to feel a little exhausted, but in the best way possible.
We love it. High spirits,
And,
high moods, high elevation. Sucks. I'm dead.
I didn't even have the mic on that whole time.
I did that earlier.
You guys don't even know what the fuck I said.
did that earlier.
Anyways, to summarize, we got swarmed by mosquitoes and it fucking sucked, and I fucking suck, and I forgot to turn the mic on, and I'm cussing a lot. I have a sailor's mouth and I apologize for that. But yeah, this is why you adventure, people. You know, sometimes, no, a lot of the time, people ask me, Kyle, why the hell you do what you do? This is why. Oh my Lord, this is why. All right, so after hiking all damn day, people, we have made it to Heart Lake. Woo! I am so pumped, so jacked, because I'm tired, exhausted, slap happy. Life is so fucking good. Oh my Lord. I love you guys. I love this world. Thank you, Mother Earth. Out here at the Moody Rialto Beach, and my microphone isn't working, so I've got some shitty audio. My phone isn't working, no service, so it's turning out to be the perfect storm. but that's alright, I'm still loving it. So is Kelsey. Even though we got feet soaking wet. Alright, time for me to cross this shit. Woo! Woo! Good morning, guys. I don't know if you can even see me right now. It's about 4 o'clock. I'm whispering because everyone else is camping. But we're about to go hike and catch the sunrise here at Mount Rainier. It's gonna be sick. I'll see you there. Whew. It is an early one. Woo! Yes! Look at this. Yeah! Beautiful. Mother Nature has blessed us again. So, I broke my ND4 filter, and now I just dropped my ND8 in this beautiful waterfall. It may look kind of gross, like, whoa, wait, Kyle, it looks like you're wearing the same clothes in every video. It's because I kind of am, because I'm not changing or showering. Go. Sorry, I felt awkward vlogging in front of those guys. But anyways, yeah. You know, because that's what you do in your backpack. You wear the same shit over and over. You just smell like sweat, bug spray, and dirt. And it's beautiful, you know, because you don't have to shower, no one else is showering. It's just freedom at its finest. Yeah, I love it. There's just something beautiful about the mixture of hunger, sleep deprivation, and cold mornings. It just makes you feel alive. It's really good stuff.
Hey everybody. Are you ready?
We're gonna crush it. Crash. Oh, by the way, this is Camp 18. It's so good. We found the right way, thanks to some really nice hippies. But, as stated, oh shit, my mic fell. This is a mess. A race against time. Happy to say, I know you can't see me, but I'm happy to say we made it. Look at that. Look at that beautiful sunset. That's money right there. Been a hell of a road trip, but team's definitely getting worn down. Hold on. Excuse me, I'm a bit gassy from all these mountain hills. This is gonna have to make the cut because this is all about honesty right here, and yeah, but I think the tank's starting to wear down. We're getting. It's great though. It's great. A little rough. Woke up at 4:45, but it's all right. We made it for sunrise at Crater Lake, baby. Check out these views, though. Oh. Good morning and happy glory hour, golden hour, sunrise from Crater Lake. Money shots in the back, baby. Let's get it. The only downfall is it's about day 12, 2 days left. Me and my sister are not exactly on speaking terms. So sibling, you know, sibling rivalries and stuff. Just kind of, you know, how siblings do. We get to each other. We get under each other's skin, you know. It's what we do. I love her to death, but hopefully we can finish strong as a group, as a squad. I know we will. Morning, guys. It is the last and final day of this beautiful trek. It is day 13, I believe, of sleeping out in the sticks. I've had a single shower, so
I'm really looking forward to my bed, my shower, a hot one at that, some home-cooked meals, but I'm gonna miss being out here. Oregon and Washington has been absolutely breathtaking, magical, mysterious, challenging, and everything in between. It's just been amazing, an incredible journey and experience. And yes, if you're wondering, me and my sister are good to go. We had a bit of a rough patch there, but we're Gucci gang. Yeah. So just being quiet right now. The rest of the crew is still sleeping. Check them out. For some reason, I just don't sleep. I just don't like it, you know. Sleep's boring. I'll sleep when I'm dead, in the words of Steve Aoki. Shout out to him. But very true. I'll definitely sleep more when I'm dead. But yeah, you know, just trying to take it all in, enjoy this every last bit here. So yeah, we're out here doing some dispersed camping in the Willamette National Forest. If you don't know what dispersed camping is, well, that is where you get to camp for free, which is fucking awesome. Gotta love that. Balling on a budget, eh? The only downfall is there is no working bathrooms, no working water, so you got what you got. But hey, that's why you come prepared, and that's what camping's all about. So happy to be out here again, happy to be alive. This is the last and final day. I'm gonna try and vlog and show you guys a little bit. Hope you've been enjoying this journey and story with me, and I thank you all so much, and I cannot wait to take you on the next one. Let's go. And just to talk on these trips a bit more, guys, just remember that things are gonna go wrong. I've officially lost / broken all of my ND filters. My drone did not work for about 4 days out of the trip, and I lost 2 of my pieces protecting my gimbal, so now I'm using tissue paper. I lost my quick dry towel. Again, there was a bit of a rough patch between the group chemistry. We weren't seeing things eye to eye so much, and yeah, you know, you just gotta be ready for, and, well, let's talk about wrong turns, yeah, or booked out campsites. When you come on these trips and you're winging everything for fun, a lot of times you're gonna show up and there's not gonna be anywhere for you to go. So you just gotta keep on moving until you find somewhere. And when you're racing the sun, that can be a little frustrating. So just remember when you do these trips, especially with groups, that things are gonna go south, things are gonna go wrong, and you gotta be prepared for that. You know, that's part of the journey, it's part of the adventure, part of the experience, and that's how you learn, that's how you grow as a person, that's how you grow in your character, and it's all about testing, you know, your relationships with people, and trust with them, and trust in yourself, and seeing, you know, if you're able to come out on top. And I would have to say, I think we've done beyond coming out on top. I mean, we are rocket ship soaring. Life is amazing. Again, I just can't say it enough, guys. Everything you want in life lies right outside your doorstep. Please do not take it for granted. Get outside, explore, see the world, but leave no trace. Yes, sir.